Alrighty, so we got Friday, October 1st, and I'm proud to say that we are still going. Coldest night we've had so far has been about 58 degrees, which did seem to take a little bit of a toll on the wife's avocado plant, tree, whatever you want to call it. It's still hanging in there though, but all the newest growth was the first to kind of be frail to the temperature fluctuation. But at any rate, tomatoes are still going. Unfortunately, my wife did some heavy picking yesterday, so I don't have a whole lot to show you. That's red, but you could see plenty of flowers still going. At this point, I'm still doing the master grow every week. I think we got a red early girl in there. She missed that one. Don't think we'll make it until November 1st. I'm sure by that point we'll have one night that gets too cold. We've been averaging mid to high 60s at night and 80s during the day. It's currently 72, rainy. A couple of Arkansas travelers. They should be ready in a few days here. But I just figured I'd give an update. I'm really curious to see how long I can go with this.